You next have a update at 10:58 on the traffic leader, KCVS.
All right, thank you, Vic. To take a look at that six-day forecast. Looking out the window right now, looking at plenty of sunny skies. Nice little breeze here at the moment. Look for that breeze to continue to get a little bit stronger by a few more miles as we make our way into the afternoon. Lots of sunny skies here for your Tuesday. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s to low 60s by the coast, only getting up to a nice fall-like 63 if you are heading into San Francisco. More 60s by the Bayside and the inland areas. Now, once we do get into tonight, we're going to see some patchy fog and clouds start rolling on in with that light breeze. Expect some rain after the midnight hours. Now, once you get into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to see mostly cloudy conditions. Might run into a small cell here and there or a little bit of drizzle as well. And then once you do get into the weekend, we're going to see a return of mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are going to stay in the 60s. Might even see once again on your late Saturday night into Sunday, maybe some scattered light drizzle. Traffic and weather together here on the 8th on All News 106.9 at AM 740 KCBS. Now, this is a regularly scheduled monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie. Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie. Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
También hay unos
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
igual.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Which is not to diminish the real world impact that these power structures.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Okay, now we're back.
Test of the emergency Emergency Alert System, KRCP, KRCG, and KEJK will be conducting a test of the Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.
Which is way more idiotic. Dragon Wolf 920 again. Hey, Kirby Smart. Stupid idiot. Ernie Garrett. Quote. That sound drop from Kirby is right up there with Mike Tyson, Gary Towers.
Say good morning and thank you to Katie.
This piece here actually is it's one of her pieces, and it's a baby carrier that she made. And so this is cowhide for the base and elk hide for where she has her beadwork done. And this would have been used to carry the children around on their backs when they're walking.
Beautiful. And I love how there's a little mom.
He's annually arrested for reckless driving. Pretty much. Pretty much. He never had that reaction publicly to a check getting arrested. But he had no problem.
Whirligig spin. What kind of things spin? I know. Here's what I am.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Uncle Duper with a yo-yo in each hand. I like my idea better. I like my idea better. My idea is the best. No way! Yes way! Jelly bean! Glitter! Yo-yo!
Super! You remember what Granny used to do when we'd argue over ideas?
Imagination orchestration.
That's right! Okay, here are the rules. I am going to be the conductor.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Available to you. Different Part C plans are available in different parts of the country, so don't wait. Call the number on your screen now. If you're on Medicare, you can call. Even if you called last year, we will check to see if there is a Part C plan available.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Benefits or cost savings. Call to speak with a licensed insurance agent before the end of the annual enrollment period. Call now. No obligation. Medicare benefits review. Just call 800-716-9803. 800-716-9803.
Cough, cough, sneeze, sneeze, cheek needs, plop, plop, fizz.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
When speed is what you need, bounce back fast, Alka-Seltzer Plus. Also try the new.
Have a lot of pizza.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie. Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie. Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
以下节目由中国中央电视台 CCTV 制作 ，CCTV 为中华人民共和国之国有媒体。
欢迎收看 KEAS F26台播放的中国新闻。
全球新闻，中国播报。各位好，欢迎收看正在直播的中国新闻节目。11月9号，中国和印尼发布联合声明，指出双方将共同致力打造更多海上合作亮点，包括在两国主张重叠海域开展共同开发合作，设立政府间联合指导委员会等。对此，中国外交部发言人林健在11号的例行记者会上表示，中方一贯倡导搁置争。
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.
Good morning and thank you to Katie.
And the 2 5-minute.
34.
We say good morning and thank you to Katie.
As is. No repairs, no fees, and you close out your timeline. Just call 510-518-1000. Entonces yo voy a poner las condiciones. Rodrigo, ¿buscas venganza? No, por supuesto que no, Néstor. Yo lo único que quiero es a mi hijo de regreso. Eso es todo. Yo quiero mucho a ese niño. Aunque no sea de mi sangre, yo lo quiero muchísimo. Voy a perder muchas cosas. Muchísimo dinero, sobre todo cuando tenga que pagarle a los acreedores.
Alert system. Broadcast stations in your emergency official messages would follow this tone.
Well, we say good morning and thank you to Katie.